Hello, Honor Chem students. Welcome to Term 4. I just want to give you a quick, brief overview on the web page for Term 4. First of all, you'll notice that the look is just slightly different. I have a different icon here, so that's always something that you want to make sure that even with links and stuff, that if you link, you're always staying in this course. So my icon picture is kind of this, I found it from the web. It's a picture of water or a simulation of model of what water would look like. But my daily message right here, today is the last day I'll have my daily message right after the header. It will get embedded if I do a daily message. If I do a message, they may not be daily any longer, but if I do a message, it will be embedded in the day folder, which I'll show you that in just a minute. Student and family technology support, so I have that just right there in the front. I do have a first day checklist here that I just want to show you. You may not have to do anything with this. I just wanted to remind students that if you have an issue with iCal, here's the directions on how you should sign up for iCal. Again, some of you have not signed up for Remind. That is my primary way of getting a hold of you individually. So please make sure that you have signed up for Remind. The code is exactly the same as it was for third term. And then finally, information on how to log into the textbook through Clever and open and read the distant learning page. So those would be items that I'd want to make sure that you do, and where you could find that information always is now under the resource picture or folder. I have the information on distant learning. Again, this page isn't anything different than what you looked at and what you saw for term 3. I also have, here is the information on the textbook to log in through Clever, and if you need information on how to subscribe to iCal. If you missed any reference tables, like for instance, you can't find your periodic table, you can't find your ion chart, those things would be found under the reference tables section as well. So those would be a good place for you to go. I will be adding to this resource folder too as we move on through the course. So it's something that you may want to, I will reference to, and you may have to look at, kind of once a week or something like that. Or when I reference to it, when I say it's in the resource folder, there it is. It's early yet in the morning. Okay, so what's going to happen for now for term 4 is you're going to notice by the unit, you're going to notice there is the date range that we are going to work on this information. So here you'd want to click on that for today. And again, I don't have things published yet all the way because we're not really totally perfect with April 14th yet. So there isn't really an opportunity to work ahead today. But I do also, so I just have today's lesson. So this will be the work that you need to do today. And as you open it up, notice you'll need to take daily attendance. You will need to do this work, go through the page lesson, and then there's a formative quiz. That formative quiz is part of your homework points for today. So that is something that you do want to make sure that you complete today. One other item for you guys, some of you didn't post to the media album for Friday, and some of you did post. However, you forgot to put in your caption of your name and your hour, and I couldn't tell even from your paper if it was your name and your hour. So if that was you, you will want to post to this media album continued, and I probably will put a date in here yet when I'm done with this recording, so that it will be clear that this is where you are going to want to click on this, and it will say, please upload your picture. Please do not forget to fill out the caption with your name and your hour. There are some pictures from Friday that I could not tell because you did not fill out your caption. So if that was you, will you please resubmit right here. That would be much appreciated. Again, that's going to be part of your homework points, actually your first homework points for this unit as well. So that's kind of the lowdown for today. I hope you guys have a great day. Again, I'm available. If you have any technology issues, please don't hesitate to email me. You know, my hours are between 9:30 and 3:30. And again, working on getting grades in, hoping I can get that done by the end of the day. So have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Miss ya, and bye.